So we actually get to have some home cooked meal. This is one of the best things you can eat. It's called roast pang. It's really hard to do this. She's actually waiting to eat this for a long time. Oh. Wow. It's coconut sambal, dal, and egg curry.
Yes.
Like I said in the morning, we came here for a special dana ceremony to Aloka Elderly home. There's 85 elderly mothers and fathers here. So we arranged this dinner that we're gonna give. I wasn't going to show a lot of things because this is not for the publicity or anything like that. This is purely just to help them out. But they just asked me to show everything and tell the world about their house, so you guys can also contribute to this place. I will leave the information down below, and also my friend Iranga Catering helping me to cater this event today, so I'll leave his information. It's right here. This is what we're serving today. We have some chicken curry, cutlets we made, mutton, coconut gumbo, got string hoppers, string gumbo, potato curry, and some dal. We made some special vegetarian cutlet too, and we got some candy that we're gonna give. Like I said, this is not for my popularity or anything like that, to show the world. I really don't like to show anybody this kind of thing, because I do so many things that I never show. But this is only because of their request to show, so everybody else can contribute and see the reality of it. Matiin rồi. Go and distribute.
Tapi panen. Tahu rasa dekat kita dah. මොනවද ඕන?
පරිප්පු.
මේකට දාන්න. ඇද්ද?
කොහොමද දාන්නේ?
මේකට දාන්න එපා. හරියට දාන්න.
හරි. මෙයාට වෙනෝපි ගාලක් තියෙනවා. මෙයාට වෙනෝපි ගාලක් තියෙනවා.
දරුවෝ පාවිච්චි
ඔව් හරි මම දෙනවා.
කරනවා. දෙවිඩි පාට පාක් කිව්වා.
ඉරවගුරු බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේ දේශනා කළ ධර්මයේ වඩාගෙන යාති ජරා ව්‍යාධි මරණති සියලු දුකින් මිදෙනු උතුම් නිර්වාණය අවබෝධ කරගනිත්වා.
Hi. We just concluded our almsgiving to Aloka Elderly Home. Not sure how many mothers and fathers are there. They say like 85, sometimes 100. I'll just leave the information down below so you guys can watch the video. And if you want to do it, you guys can call them. And there's other places in Sri Lanka you can. If I can find some places, I'll leave all the information down. And if you guys need anything to know from me, you guys can just message me and I will answer what I know. So if you like what I'm doing, just hit subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. There's more videos coming from. This is just the first day of the only guide to Sri Lanka travel series that I'm starting right now. Okay, so you guys have a nice day, and we'll meet you guys on the next video. Thank you.
ඔබේ මංගල උත්සව, උපන්දින සාද, දානමය පින්කම්, ප්‍රිය සංභාෂණ ඇතුළු සියලුම උත්සව අවස්ථාවන් සඳහා සුවිශේෂී ලෙස සැකසූ දෙස් විදෙස් ආහාර පාන සැපයීම, සියලුම උත්සව බහන්න සැපයීම, Action Live Cooking Services ඇතුළු සියලුම සේවාවන් විශ්වාසයෙන් සැපයීමේ ප්‍රමුඛයෝ. ඉරංගා Catering Services පානදුර. රස රසක රස රහස.